Hi everyone, this is Michael, and today I'm going to be teaching you about the Voxel dimension wizard. So here's a data set that we loaded in, and we didn't quite get the proportions right, and you can see that the chameleon is quite skewed in one direction, and so we're going to try to adjust that here. So whenever you're making a measurement in syGlass, it's really crucial that you have the voxel dimension set correctly. So I'm going to go up here to project and pick voxel. Well, first I'm going to highlight chameleon, then I'm going to go to voxel size. So the way syGlass measures distances is by counting the voxels. If we don't have the right proportion in voxels, then all the distances will be skewed. For this particular data set, it's isotropic, so anything where these numbers are the same would be correct in proportion, but not necessarily in distance. So let's say that this scan had a voxel dimension of let's say 1 millimeter per side. So we're going to change one here, we're going to put one here, and we're going to change this to 1. And we're going to come down here and just change this to millimeters, and we're going to hit save. When we reload this project now, the data is in the right proportion, and any measurement we make would be accurate. Thank you very much.